Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Darkest Nightmare Haunt. This is year 2021, which means that it's the 5th year that I've been doing this haunt, which is pretty cool. So 5 years I've been doing this, and yeah, so that's just kind of exciting. But anyways, let's get into this year's build. So right off the bat, I'm going to say I'm not going to be doing a lot of long videos this year. I'm just going to be doing some quick updates for you guys to see how the haunt's progress. Alright, so here we are. As you can see, there's a lot that has already been done. I'm just going to go ahead and walk through it real quick, just to give you guys a little tour of what I have so far. A lot of the plastic is up, a lot of the walls are up, and I've already started decorating some things, as you can see. I even got that window going, which is pretty cool. And yeah, this scene's pretty blank so far, but I will start decorating it very soon. So all of the walls are up, most of the plastic is up, and you know, I can start decorating. So basically the main thing I want to do for this year is change this scene. So this entire area from that back of the hallway all the way to the entrance, this whole room, has actually stayed the same since I've started building this thing. It's mainly just been that white tile with the blood, and we have the zombie, the red light, and the static TV over here. And that has worked, which is why I kept it, is because it actually did look good. But I'm going to change it this year into a haunted house theme, which kind of sounds weird, but basically it's going to be like a haunted mansion, if that makes more sense. So anyways, I picked up this backdrop over here, which does look like, you know, kind of like a gothic haunted mansion. And I'm going to put that on the walls so it will look good. I'm not going to keep the black plastic, obviously. And I'll put, you know, spider webs. I'll have a table somewhere along here with candles, books, and whatnot. And I'll probably put some sort of life-size prop, I don't know, maybe the zombie guy or something. And then I'm going to hang a flickering light right here that's going to hang down, which is going to be one of the only lights in the room, so it's kind of going to be dark. And then this zombie window will obviously match the scene a lot better because it's going to be an indoor kind of a house theme. And so I'll have curtains on either side of this thing to really blend it in. Now this next thing that I've been working on is probably the biggest project this year. It is, okay, well, I'm not going to get too into it. It's going to be a new automatic prop. It's going to be a pneumatic prop. In fact, I already have the cylinder mounted and I got all the hardware going. So it actually will be a fence that's going to go in and out, and I'll have a zombie on the back shaking it. It's gonna look kind of cool. I don't want to give too much away right now because I will make a full in-depth video on this thing. And I was inspired by several videos on YouTube that have already made this exact prop. So yeah, I just really wanted to make it for my own. It's just a pretty simple prop, actually. And I took the old sparking fence and turned it into that. So I'll do a full video on that later. So yeah, basically everything else is to be determined. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably the same thing that I usually do, which is put that that brick pattern on the walls, and I'll have the hanging guy right here. I'll probably, if I can, take some of those lockers and put them in here. So that's my progress so far, 2021. As you can see in these bins over here, I have tons of other stuff to put up. That's gonna be it for this video. Again, just a quick update, and I will make more of these as I progress. Maybe I even will make a lengthier video. But that's all for now, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.